When it comes to dominating the highway, there's one name every real trucker knows: I-Shift. First introduced in 2001, Volvo's I-Shift didn't just enter the game, it changed it. This isn't your average transmission. I-Shift has redefined what it means to drive smart, balancing raw torque with silky-smooth shifts to turn every haul into a controlled powerhouse of performance. It's not just moving gears, it's about moving with precision, intelligence, and purpose. But is it really as flawless as they say? In this deep dive, we will explore what makes the I-Shift so legendary. From engineering brilliance and fuel savings to driver comfort, downhill braking, hill start handling, and long-haul reliability. We're not just gonna throw specs at you. We're talking real-world scenarios that matter on the job, where performances can make or break your ride. So if you're a fleet owner, a seasoned trucker, or someone just obsessed with cutting-edge trucking tech, buckle up, because this is where automation meets domination. Now before we get into it, don't forget to like and subscribe for more high-octane trucking content every single week. Now when it comes to the Volvo I-Shift, we're not just talking about another automated manual transmission. We're talking about a transmission system designed from the ground up to outperform and outthink anything else on the road. Volvo I-Shift was built with a singular mission: to combine the fuel efficiency of a manual with the ease and intelligence of automation. Unlike traditional gearboxes, the I-Shift isn't just a mechanical box with automation slapped on. It's a fully integrated system where software and hardware are engineered to work in perfect harmony. At the heart of this brilliance is intelligent software. The system continuously monitors key variables like road grade, vehicle speed, load weight, torque demand, and even driving style. It then calculates the ideal shift point in real time. And that means gear changes that aren't just smooth, they're strategic. Every shift is tailored to optimize power, reduce engine strain, and boost fuel efficiency. And the precision gear ratios? They're no accident. Volvo designed the I-Shift with close ratio gears to maintain optimal RPM ranges, especially important for long-haul drivers who depend on consistent fuel economy over hundreds of miles. But here's where things get truly next level. In 2014, Volvo introduced the I-Shift dual clutch, the world's first dual clutch transmission for heavy-duty trucks, inspired by high-performance sports cars. This system allows pre-selection of the next gear while the current gear is still engaged. And the result of this is gear changes that happen in milliseconds with no interruption in power, no lurching, no lag, just seamless torque delivery, especially useful when pulling heavy loads uphill or accelerating out of a curve. The system is also incredibly durable. Unlike traditional manual gearboxes that are prone to wear from inconsistent clutch usage, the I-Shift's electronic control eliminates human error, fewer breakdowns, which means longer transmission life and reduced maintenance costs. Now let's talk about money. Because in the trucking world, fuel is gold. And the Volvo I-Shift? It was engineered to stretch every drop of diesel further than you thought possible. This isn't your average automated gearbox hunting for the next gear. The I-Shift uses real-time adaptive shifting that factors in terrain, cargo weight, throttle input, and road grade. Climbing a steep incline? It holds the gear longer to maintain torque. Coasting downhill? It slips into economy mode to conserve fuel. And the result is that your truck is never overworking or under-delivering. It's always in the sweet spot. And that precision pays off. Fleets using I-Shift have reported up to 5 to 7% better fuel efficiency compared to traditional manual transmissions. And in long-haul operations, that's tens of thousands of dollars saved per truck per year. But it's not just the shifting that saves fuel. The I-Shift is designed to work hand-in-glove with Volvo's entire powertrain, from the D13 engine to the IC predictive cruise control system. IC uses GPS and map data to memorize terrain, so it knows when to coast, when to brake, and when to accelerate. It anticipates hills before you even see them, and when combined with the I-Shift, it creates a driving experience that feels almost psychic, and fuel savings that are very real. And then there's Eco Roll. On gentle downhill grades, the system disengages the transmission and lets the truck roll using momentum. And that means less engine drag and more fuel saved, especially over long distances. And don't forget the driver factor. With I-Shift handling the heavy lifting, the drivers don't waste fuel riding gears or revving too high. The system maintains low RPM cruising, often around 1,050 to 1,150 RPMs, which is the sweet spot for diesel efficiency. In a profession where long hours behind the wheel are the norm, driver comfort isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. The Volvo I-Shift was engineered with this exact reality in mind. First, there's the obvious win: no clutch pedal. For truckers used to stomping through 10 or 13 speed manuals day in and day out, this is a game changer. No more sore legs and stop-and-go traffic, no more constant mental calculation of shift points. It's automation that feels almost like telepathy. But the comfort factor goes beyond just ditching the clutch. The I-Shift delivers silky smooth, perfectly timed gear changes, using intelligent software that anticipates the load, terrain, and throttle pressure. And the result? Less cabin vibration, no jerking, and a ride that feels more like gliding than grinding, especially critical on long-haul drives. It reduces cognitive fatigue, allowing drivers to stay more alert, more comfortable, and less mentally drained by day's end. Volvo also uses built-in hill start assist, which holds the brakes for a few seconds on inclines to prevent rollback, giving drivers total confidence during steep takeoffs. Combine that with adaptive cruise control compatibility, and the I-Shift starts to feel like a co-driver, handling the little things so the human behind the wheel can focus on the road. And in features like engine brake integration for smoother downhill descents and low RPM cruising, which keeps engine noise lower in the cab, and you get a transmission that isn't just smart, it's empathetic to the driver's needs. Now, this list will not be complete without talking about what matters most on the long road: durability and low maintenance. Because let's be honest, no trucker, fleet owner, or logistics manager wants to see their rig stuck in a bay when it should be out making money. The Volvo I-Shift was engineered with one mission: to go the distance. We're talking over 1 million miles of reliable performance, and not just marketing fluff. Real-world fleet data consistently shows I-Shift-equipped trucks lasting longer with fewer major transmission failures than many of their competitors. Why? Well, it's the combination of mechanical simplicity and intelligent control. The I-Shift has fewer wear-prone components compared to traditional manual systems. There's no clutch pedal to burn out, no missed shifts to grind the gears, and instead it's electronically controlled. Shifting logic ensures that every shift is executed at the ideal moment. Not too early and not too late, preserving both the transmission and the engine. And let's not overlook the self-protection software. The system doesn't just follow commands, it evaluates them. If a driver demands a gear that would over-rev the engine or strain the driveline, the I-Shift simply refuses. It's like having a built-in transmission technician watching over every mile 24/7. Maintenance intervals are longer too. With integrated diagnostics, the truck tells you when service is due and not the other way around. And that means fewer surprises, fewer breakdowns, and a lot less money poured into repairs and emergency shop visits. And it even reduces clutch wear thanks to the automated precision of engagement, especially in start-stop city driving or frequent hill climbs. And then there's resale value. Used trucks with I-Shift tend to command higher prices in the secondary market, largely because buyers trust the track record, and they know these transmissions age gracefully, hold up under pressure, and protect the rest of the powertrain while they do it. Now, you can quote all the specs you want, but in the real world, it's the voices from the road that matter most. And when it comes to the Volvo I-Shift, those voices are loud, clear, and overwhelmingly loyal. Across America's highways, from solo operators to fleet managers running dozens of rigs, the I-Shift is earning a reputation that no spreadsheet can fully capture. This isn't marketing hype, it's real-world impact. One fleet manager summed it up plainly: "I saved $12,000 in fuel this year, thanks to I-Shift." That's not just a number, it's a business advantage that compounds across an entire operation, and it doesn't stop at fuel savings. An owner-operator with over 2 decades behind the wheel put it this way: "I'll never drive anything else." For him, it's not about brand loyalty, it's about fatigue he doesn't feel anymore. The comfort of predictable downshift to steep grades and a transmission that seems to think one step ahead of the train. These are the seasoned pros who've driven everything. And yet they're still choosing I-Shift, not out of convenience, but because it changes how they work or how they feel at the end of a long haul. Younger drivers are saying it gives them confidence. Maintenance teams are reporting fewer surprise repairs and longer component life. Across the board, the I-Shift is delivering more than smooth shifts. It's delivering trust. So after digging into everything, it's clear why the Volvo I-Shift takes the crown. It's smart, smooth, and built tough. The transmission handles gear shifts like a pro and saves fuel and makes driving easier. No clutch pedal stress and less fatigue for drivers. Fleet owners love how reliable and low maintenance it is, and drivers, they won't drive anything else. It's not just about specs, it's about real savings, comfort, and peace of mind on the road. If you want to keep your trucks running better and your drivers happier, the I-Shift is where it's at. Now if this video helped you out, smash the like button, subscribe for more trucking tips, and ring the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Are you ready to shift into something better? Then let's go with IShift.